Well, days like today, when it's raining outside, my biggest concern is, besides the flooding, of course, the slippery roads. Driving in the country routes, it's kind of difficult, but having the stability in the bus helps a lot.
Clark Pleasant is a suburban school district on the south end of Indianapolis, made up of about 6,700 students. We've got a lot of families who still live on their family farms, but then also who are new to our community and live in some of the new subdivisions.
We have about 57 CDL drivers. My philosophy in every place that I've been is if I can help the driver, then I'm interested in that program. It is a source of pride. I'm a big safety guy, and now we have electronic stability control and collision mitigation.
Clark Pleasant is definitely on the forefront. Bob currently has 3 buses with collision mitigation and electronic stability control in his fleet. He has actually ordered 8 more for this coming year. Going forward, I believe that eventually, the entire fleet will be converted over. Bob wants to have the safest bus on the road for his kids, and I think that's very important.
Well, when we train the drivers, it's normally a 2-step process. We get them in a classroom and they see the videos, and then the next phase would be to take them out into the buses and explain to them how the equipment works.
Understanding all the features is best when you actually sit behind the wheel and when you start driving, and all the information starts sinking in. This box right here, it pretty much lets me know everything I need to know. If I veer out of my lane, it starts beeping at me. Automatic braking. If there is a vehicle in front of me and I am approaching too fast, the box actually shows me how close I am to the vehicle. If I am getting too close to the vehicle, it gives me a few sounds to make sure that I react, and if I don't react, then the bus will actually stop for me.
Having reliable equipment is extremely important to us, and safe equipment especially. School buses have always been one of the safest vehicles on the roads for kids, but this takes it to a whole different level. The crash mitigation, anti-lock brakes, all of the stuff that we have in our cars has been absent a lot of times for the traditional school bus.
There's always something going on the bus, and having something like that on the bus actually keep you safer. It makes me feel appreciated. It makes me feel like the school district actually does care about their drivers. I believe every driver needs to experience it, needs to be behind the wheel, needs to experience the new features. It will amaze you, it will give you peace of mind, and it will make you a better driver.